Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to edit a comment box text in a PDF file using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Now see this page review option, and this is a call out comment box, and I'll edit this comment box text and double click on this comment box and enable for editing. And see this mouse cursor now showing. Now drag your mouse cursor again, select your text you want to edit. This is format option now showing. This text font size. You can increase or decrease, and this text color. See this. And you can change text font style. See there. And this lowercase, and this is levis, and this uppercase. Yeah. And here you can align right. This is left, and this center align, and this character spacing, and this word and line normal, and so on. You can remove or add new text. So yeah, in this way you can edit your comment box text. And finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.